one very important video I seen somewhere. I thought it will be useful to you. So let me show that video one time to you.
Don't you run and hide from the truth you decide. Everything is one away.
Yeah, if you observe this video, you got one important life lesson. See, the first person, the person who done so many holes, if you observe clearly, right, his destinations are very close. Almost he is coming to the destination and he is stopping the work and he is going to the next one. And again he is doing the next one little bit. It is very close to the destination, but you don't know this. And he will go to the once again next one. See, he's keep on, right? He's keep on making the one more new hole, one more new one is doing. But if you see the first person, if you see the, I think left side person, right? That is the story. If you see the right side person, his destination is so down, see, so far away. If you see the right side person, his destination is so far away. But he's keep on doing same place. He is keeping the same place whole. The first person, right, left side person is keeping holes, right, one by one hole, means everywhere little bit work he is doing. At the time of result he is going, even though result is very close, you don't know this. Even though result is very close, you don't know this. He's just doing half work and going to the next one. Just doing half work is going to the next one. Just doing half work is going to the next one. But if you see the right side person, so his destination is so far away, but he's keep on doing every day little bit. So I think let me continue the remaining video. The one which will give best result is a consistent work only. You should do consistent work. It will give best result. Whoever you want you take on this earth. Consistency is the main reason why they became successful. Take the Sachin Tendulkar. Consistency is the key. Take the Virat Kohli. Consistency is the key. Take myself. From 15 years I am teaching. That the reason people are used to say, Reddy sir is God of algorithm. Reddy sir is God of data structure. Reddy sir is God of computer science. Even though I am not, but people will say like that. Consistency is the major key. If you want to be successful in your life, consistency is the major key. If you keep on doing like this, supposition that I will teach sometimes gate, sometimes I will teach cat, sometimes I will teach something else, I think finally I will end up nothing. So my request to everyone, after selecting, after whatever path you want to select, after selecting, please do every day little bit. I think if you want, you can see this diagram also. Left side person, if you see, is more, listen, his destination is very close. Means there are some students they're really capable. If they continue same, right, few days they will reach the destination, but they don't have patience. Some people I seen brilliant students, so talented students I seen. But the problem is they don't have patience. The problem is society, right? He is keep on checking here and there. Finally, he is end up nothing. But I seen some people, they are not that much talented. They are average people. But they believed themselves. They believed the consistency. Every day they are doing little bit work, like a right hand side person. When I saw this video, I thought of explaining this particular video to all my students. If you really agree what I am saying, please comment in the comment section. What you learn from this, please comment in the comment section. Are you followed this one in your life or not? Are you right, belongs to left hand side model or right hand side model? In your life, are you left hand side person or are you right hand side person? Which one exactly you done? What benefits you got? What are the drawbacks you got? Please can you comment in the comment section? It will be really useful to most of my students. Right? Please comment in the comment section. I'm looking for all your inputs. If you are preparing for GATE 2025, GATE CSE or GATE DA, we are starting one new batch, which is going to be start first of the month. Which is going to start first of the month. If you are consistent, if you are serious, you can join that batch. For more details, you can see the description below. For more details, you can see the description below. Right? Thank you so much.